We have some sexy ladies enjoying the sun by the pool.
Yeah.
How are you?
We are fine.
Wonderful.
We have Mel.
Good.
Like everybody knows, she's the owner of the hostel. Say hi, Mel.
Yes, and this is not my typical afternoon just sitting chilling by the pool. I don't want to get anyone to have the wrong impression. I have already weeded and painted and done laundry, so I'm just having a little break.
You deserve it, Mel. And we have Cheryl. Hi,
I had a
Cheryl.
very lazy day today, so I can't even compare to Mel. And I am enjoying the sun since it rained all day out last week.
Yeah, you were having a pampering morning, you
I'm
told
having
me.
a pampering morning, yes.
Yeah, that's good. You deserve it too.
It's important for your mental health. It's a recharge day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cheryl is staying with us for the second time, right? You
Yes.
were here the last year. Do you want to share a little bit more about your two experiences here in Roatan?
They were very different because the first time I was only here a week,
Yeah.
so I didn't get to explore very much. But this time I've done more exploring, and it's fun to come back to see the same people and meet new people and see the changes in the hostel, which have been awesome.
Yeah.
It's been great.
And you're doing volunteer job in the clinic, right?
In the clinic, correct, for a month.
Wow. that's
Enjoyed some culture and took some Spanish classes.
Yeah.
And just hanging out, enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah, enjoying the pool.
Yes,
Rainy and sunny days in Roatan. Yeah.
it's been great.
Well, thank you, girls. I will let you keep enjoying
All right.
now that we have sun.
Visit us.
Yay. Bye.
Bye.